Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change Dropbox password. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Dropbox interface, and when you're inside the Dropbox interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be an account section, so you just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear, and you just have to click on the settings tab. Just click on it and settings section will appear right in front of you, and there will be an list of things like general, security, notification, apps. So you just have to click on the security in order to change the password. As you can see on the second tab, there is password. So you just have to look on the right hand side of the password text. There will be set a password. So you just have to click on that button and you will be redirected to the set your password page. Now you just have to click on the submit button and they will send you an mail in your email. So you just have to check your email in order to change the password. I'll just open my mail and check whether or not Dropbox has sent me that mail or not. As you can see, Dropbox has already sent me that mail, so I'll just click on that reset password and another text will appear right in front of you. Now I just have to enter my new password and retype my new password and just click on the submit button, and I'll be able to change the password of the Dropbox. So this is how you can easily change Dropbox password. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.